Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Current account deficits can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's look at how a country finances its spending gaps right now.
Balance of payments must always sum to zero, so any deficit in the current account has to be offset by a surplus in the financial account to keep everything perfectly balanced.
To create that necessary financial surplus, a nation must bring in more capital from abroad. This happens when the country sells its domestic financial assets to eager foreign investors and banks.
Selling these assets provides the cash needed to cover the deficit. That makes option C our final winner. You totally nailed this economics concept.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps carefully.